Article 22. It is about the protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. So when question is asked that which article provides the protection against arrest and detention in certain cases, it is Article 22. 22 can be divided into two parts. One part deals with the persons arrested under the ordinary law of crimes. First is the ordinary law of crimes, and the other part deals with the persons detained under the law of preventive detention. Ordinary law of crimes means after the crime is committed, the person is detained or arrested. And here preventive detention means before the commission of the crime, the person is arrested. That is the preventive detention. This article is divided into two parts. Ordinary law of crimes. Second is the law of preventive detention. Of its first part is the persons detained under the ordinary law. It is Article 22 Clause 1 to 22 Clause 3. Article 22 Clause 1 to Clause 3. It is the persons detained under the ordinary law. First is Article 22 Clause 1. It is of any person cannot be detained in custody without being informed on what grounds the arrest carried out. In its second point is he cannot be detained from the right to consult and to be defended by the legal practitioner of his choice. It means that when the person is detained under the ordinary law, the person has many rights. Among that, first is that he cannot be detained in custody without being informed. Means before being informed to that person on what grounds the person is arrested, the person cannot be arrested. He cannot be detained from the right to consult and to be defended by the legal practitioner of his own choice. Means if he want to consult his legal practitioner, means advocate, then he can contact to that person. Nobody can stop him. This is the first right, Article 22 Clause 1. Second is the right to be produced before a magistrate within the 24 hours, including the journey time. Means including journey time, the person must be produced before the magistrate within 24 hours. This is the within 24 hours. This is the Article 22 Clause 2. Next is Article 22 Clause 3. Now the clauses 1 and Clause 2 do not apply. To whom it does not apply, it doesn't apply to any person who is an enemy alien. Means the person who is an enemy alien means from the state the person belongs to, from such a state which is enemy to our country, that is the enemy alien, or to any person who is arrested or detained under any law providing for preventive detention. Means second is when the person is arrested under preventive detention, then these rights which are mentioned in the clause 1 and 2, that doesn't apply to it. So this was all about Article 22. Of it we have seen the first part, that is it deals with the persons arrested under the ordinary law of crimes. Second is the preventive detention.